Hello everyone. Here in this video, I am going to show you the general method of solving a cubic equation. Of course, it is an algebraic equation which we are going to solve, and number of variables is only one. So number of equations is also 1. Say the general form is like this: ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, where a, b, c, d all are constant quantities. So if this be the form, this is the general form of the cubic equation. So you have to make a substitution for x in such a way that the equation can be reduced, the given equation in x can be reduced to a form where the square term will be absent. Okay, say you are substituting for x is equal to y plus something, some constant. Okay, x is equal to y plus some constant. Then when you will substitute this form of x in the expression of the given equation, then there you will get an equation of y where there will be no term containing y square. Means coefficient of y square will be 0. Okay, that way you have to solve the given equation. One example I am showing you, you just try to solve this equation here. On the screen everything you will get. Okay, here cap denotes exponential or the power. In this video you are getting some texts on the screen, and here if I am writing cap, that means it is power or exponential. Whenever I am writing a star x cap 3, that means here star denotes multiplication sign, okay, and cap denotes power, that means it is ax cube plus b star x cap 2, that means it is bx square, plus c star x means it is cx, plus d is equal to 0. So here the substitution will be like this. Here to solve this equation, first you have to form a depressed equation. The form where square term will be absent is called depressed equation. So what is the proper substitution? Substitution is, if equation is like this, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, in that case the proper substitution is x is equal to y minus b by 3a. Okay, x is equal to y minus b by 3a. Okay, so that is the proper substitution. After doing this, you will get an equation in y where there will be no y square term. Say the equation is reduced to, after making that substitution, equation is reduced to y cube plus capital A is equal to capital B. Y cube means coefficient of y cube is 1. Okay, y cube plus capital A into y is equal to capital B. Everything you are getting on the screen. Okay, follow the screen also. Screen of your mobile phone or screen of the computer or laptop. Okay, so here in this case, because the board is not visible clearly, okay, that's why I am not writing on this board. It is not visible. Okay, I can see, but whenever I am going to record this thing, the board, it is not clear. There is problem of lighting, okay, and also there is problem of camera. Okay. Anyway, the problem can be solved easily just by writing on the screen. Means just by typing on the screen, not writing, typing on the screen. Anyway, so if this be the form y is equal y cube plus capital A into y is equal to capital B, then you make another substitution, that 3 into small s into small t, 3 into small s into small t is equal to capital A, and s cube minus t cube. Means small s cube minus small t cube is equal to capital B. Okay, if you take this substitution, then in that case you can easily solve for s and t. Then finally you compute s minus t, and that is the solution for y. Y is equal to s minus t. After getting the value of y, you know that x was equal to what? Y minus b by 3a. Then y is equal. Then in that expression for x, you put the value for y, you will get the value for x. So that way the equation can be solved. I am just telling you one equation. X cube minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. You know that this is very simple equation. This equation can be solved very easily without without using this method. What I have discussed here, without using this method, you can solve this equation just by factorization. And the roots will be plus 1, plus 2 and minus 3. Okay, 1, 2 and minus 3, those are the roots. Just by factorization you can solve. Okay, everything I am going to provide. Just by after recording this video, I am going to provide everything on the screen. You can see everything on the screen. Okay, so once again I want to repeat the same thing, that if the equation is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, first you try to reduce this equation in a form where the square term will be absent, and the substitution is x is equal to y minus b by 3a. If you do this, you will get an equation where y square term will be absent. Means there will be only an equation where the power 3 will be there, power 1 will be there, and constant terms will be there, but no square terms will be there. Okay, then you solve that equation, and solving of that equation is very easy. Still, if you face any problem, then you can go to this method where you can write 3st is equal to capital A and s cube minus t cube is equal to capital B, and then solve for s and t, and then finally solve s minus t, which is the value of y. Okay, then in the expression for x is equal to y minus b by 3a, there you substitute for y, you will get the value of x. That way equation can be solved. At the last at the end of this video, I am going to provide one equation. You try at your home to solve the given equation. Okay, thank you for watching this video.